A vertical pump is consisted of three main sections. The pump section, which we will see in the few seconds ahead. The intermediate section, which connects the shafts of the pump to the shaft of electromotor, and the power supply over there, and also JB box and controlling systems over there. Now let's see how does the pump section really looks like. This is how it is installed, like this. But let's see how does it really look like over there. But before we go to see how does this pump section really looks like, which continues to a pool, this is the plate which we call it sole plate, and the pump is going to be installed on this part. And here we have the G3 grout, which is consisted of resin and hardener to let it be bonded. After we divide the holders of the grout, that section will look like that, and the pump section will be erected and installed by the use of the stud bolts. Now let's see how does that pump section really look like. And here we have the pump section, and there's in this place there are the stud bolts are going to be installed and tightened to the sole plate, which we saw prior. This is the coupling of the pump section, and by the help of that intermediate section it is going to be connected to the electromotor. Here we have the piping for the cooling system of housing bearing, and due to the long due to having a long shaft, the shaft has to be supported by some housing bearings not to let the shaft deviate. In each segment we have a bearing. In this section we have bearing, and here is the impeller parts. This pump has two impeller sections, and here we have the impeller section that you call it the pump, and also here is a plate which is full of holes not to let any big particles to get through the pump section and create damage to the impellers. This is how a vertical pump really looks like prior to installation.